Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So you see, when we, such an example, when we put two the same identical text into Google, but we make one part of the text of paragraph, list of sentences, and then we put another one. Another one is the same, but as the first one, here we have the last sentence additional that is not present in the second one, but all the rest is more or less the same. So you can check out. So you see in Google Translate, what do we get at the end when we put these two times? You can see on the right translation. You see to fulfill the word of Yahweh's read through the word to fulfill Yahweh's read the word of Yahweh. Two different translations. So Google Translate offers different translation. So in general speaking, when we translate something through Google, it depends what Google can put as this translation at this time. So it can be different translation on another computer or on the same computer after some days, after some time, or after cleaning cookies you will get another translation, as you see. So you see, here we have without mouth, here we have mouse at the top. Woke up, here roast. So that he made an announcement, here he made a proclamation. Here on the left you can check out both these two verses that they are the same. So you see such a thing. They were translated by Google Translator. But what I need to say here on the left, the first verse has additional verse, additional sentence that is not present as the second one. And you see what Google does. He does not translate this at all. There is no translation for this sentence, as you see, who is in Judah, Esther and Judah. You see, the last sentence is not present, but when we put it on the next line as a separate sentence not connected with this, so you see, we get translation. So you see, as you see, I turn it back. As you see, we have space between dot and new sentence, but it's not appeared here. So, as a conclusion, there is some probability that Google just have everything scanned. It's not a robotic translation, because it's impossible that the sentence is not translated. So they have scanned probably from the Bible, from the Holy Bible, and you see, this sentence was not present in the version of the Bible they scanned from. So you see such a situation, and you see the different translation of the same thing. So you see, so glorify the God forever. Such a manual it is.